ધોરણ 12 કોમર્સના 3 તેજસ્વી તારલા ત્રીજા ક્રમાંક ઉપર ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમમાં 12 કોમર્સ શહેરના 3 તેજસ્વી તારલા ધોરણ 12 સાયન્સમાં ત્રીજા ક્રમાંક ઉપર 89% માર્ક સાથે વિવેકાનંદ હાઈસ્કૂલના સોનલ હમીરભાઈ ગોરિયા डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर लाइन रमेश पटेल ने विनती करूँ हमारे सोनल ने प्रोत्साहित कर लाइन लेडी सोनल बेन सोनल के गोरिया ने सम्मानित कर बीजा क्रमांक पर 12 साइंस विवेकानंद हाईस्कूल की विद्यार्थी कुमारी चांदनी दिलीप कुमार भट्ट 89% मार्क्स સાથે ખૂબ જ સુંદર માર્ક્સ વિનંતી કરું લાઈન રમેશભાઈ પટેલને શહેરમાં પ્રથમ ક્રમાંક ઉપર 12 સાયન્સ વિવેકાનંદ હાઈસ્કૂલના વિદ્યાર્થી ब्रिजेश रमणीकभाई कोयाणी मल्टीपल काउंसिल चेयरमैन लाइन फतेहचंद राका ने विनती करूँ ब्रिजेश ने सम्मानित करसे 95% ऑफ मार्क्स इन द 12th साइंस वेल डन ब्रिजेश और एने भाव अमरा ज परिवार की लाडकी दीकरी न्यूली इलेक्टेड प्रेसिडेंट लाइन गिरीश कुमार ने पनौती पुत्री कुमारी प्रतीक्षा CS स्टूड फर्स्ट इन होल गुजरात इन इंग्लिश मीडियम 12th साइंस आई शैल रिक्वेस्ट कुमारी प्रतीक्षा टू कम ऑन स्टेज लाइन फतेहचंद राका विल फेलिसिटेट कुमारी प्रतीक्षा ग्रेट अचीवमेंट सी इज श्रीमती अन्नपूर्णाबेन तथा विलेश कुमार पण लाडकी दीकरी संगात करशे शी secured 98.7% of the marks in 12th science in English medium. In English medium she is first in all Gujarat. સમગ્ર શહેરનું ગૌરવ વધાર્યું લાયન પરિવારનું ગૌરવ વધાર્યું સમગ્ર સૌરાષ્ટ્રમાં એક ઉજ્જવળ નામ प्रतीक्षा ने वेट करवा माटे विनती करूँ छूँ मोतीलाल ओसवाल तरफथी नॉलेज फर्स्ट नो एवॉर्ड पण कुमारी प्रतीक्षा स्वीकार से लाइन फतेहचंद राकाना वरद हस्ते लाइन भरत जोशी आ कार्य में सहभागी करशे लाइन फतेहचंद राका श्री ने विनती करूँ तेओ मोतीलाल ओसवाल तरफथी स्मृतिजी नॉलेज फर्स्ट प्रतीक्षा ने इनायत करशे लाइन परिवार वती एक सुंदर मोमेंटो कुमारी प्रतीक्षा ने वेट फॉर भाई प्लीज लाइन जशोमतीबेन कोराट अपना विस्तारना कर्मठ और निष्ठावान धारासभ्य तेओ श्री कुमारी प्रतीक्षा ने इनायत करशे लाइन परिवार वती सुरतजीना ने मोमेंटो प्रतीक्षा ने विनती 2 मिनिट माटे पोताना उद्बोधन माटे
Good evening to all, respected chief guests, guests of honor, invited dignitaries, and you all present over here. Well, receiving compliments and congratulations for my achievements thunders me with joy and happiness even today. Today I am here because of my determination and my willpower. I was a common student, but what was uncommon in me was my will to succeed, and that's why I am here. My self-confidence and the support of my parents, my brother, has been a boon to me. Especially my mom, She has been with me for last 2 years, away from home. I have started my day and ended my day. She has bred with my expectations. I am truly grateful to her for being so lovely and so caring. As Abdul Kalam had said, the future belongs to them who believes in the beauty of their dreams. Dreams have extreme wings. You cannot imagine the distances where it can fly. So try to have a concrete dream and not just a hanging castle. Life is a long way and it's not necessary that you will always succeed in your life. So try to inject strength and courage when you are depressed, joy and hope when you are disheartened, and infuse solace and comfort when you are depressed. That will truly make your life simply beautiful. To all the juniors who are present over here, I would just like to say, you are the Caesar and you are the sculptor and you are the stone. So life is just what you make it. Take the best advantage of the time which you are having right now, mold it in the best way, analyze yourself every day before you sleep so that it will help to recollect what you are. And try to dream about what you want to achieve and at the same time have the guts to work for it. As Abraham Lincoln had said, if I had 8 hours to chop a tree, then I would spend 6 hours sharpening my axe. So try to sharpen your axe before you act. Once someone asked Tolstoy that what is the value of a piece of iron. He simply said that just as a piece of iron, it worths only 8 paisas. But if you make small needles, it worths more. And if you make the spare parts of your watch, it shows you the time. And that is the best thing. So try to shape your life in your own ways. And I would just like to say, keep best of luck for the future and may you have a very good time further. Thank you.
थैंक यू प्रतीक्षा। मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंख से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। वेल डन प्रतीक्षा, वी आर ऑल प्राउड ऑफ यू। સન્માન સમારંભને આગળ વધારતા લાયન પરિવારના મિત્રોને સન્માનિત કરીશું।